Today's cramped kitchen recipe, we have watermelon, fresh watermelon, GoodBelly probiotics drink, in this case, the mango flavor, and we're going to use our BlendTech blender. So it's a watermelon mango beverage. Very refreshing in the summertime or when it's hot out. You could also actually use fresh mango, but in this case we're using the GoodBelly to get our GoodBelly probiotics. Step 1, slice up the watermelon, cube it to throw into the BlendTech.
Pro tip! Before you slice into your melons, you better wash them good. You don't know where they've been. Time to wash the melon!
Now it said when you juice watermelon, it's good to use the white, not the green, but some of the white rind has beneficial properties that you don't find in the red part. You want to make sure they're cubed down small enough. Plus, by using part of the white, it will cut down on the sugar concentration for those of you that are concerned about how much sugar there is, because of course watermelon has a ton of sugar, even though it's natural. The GoodBelly is not exactly low in sugar either, at least not the quart size. Now it's time to blend. Normally, when you blend vegetables and fruits, they recommend 2 cycles of 60 on high, but this is just watermelon, so I'm only going to do it for about 30 seconds. The other thing you run into when you blend it too long is, even though this watermelon was cold in the fridge, if you blend it too long it tends to get hot, and that's not that tasty. Of course, then you have to add ice. So we only blended the watermelon. Now we're going to add some GoodBelly. You can either add it to the blender or add it to your glass. And the ratio you can play around with, deciding what flavor you like more. Another quick pulse. And enjoy. If you enjoyed this episode of the Cramped Kitchen, come back for more, subscribe to the channel, and I'll bring you more interesting original recipes. Thanks for watching.